What? Another remote? Man, how many remotes I have? Probably got heaps of it now. Sorry guys, I have to move my camera a little bit. Oh, so good. Yes guys, bus back. Finally. Well, it's been a while since you used it. And of course, both of the pencils are failing because they slipped out because this fancy glove. What? Slouching in my spot. As you see, this one's broken. It's not working anymore. Yeah, this one doesn't work, guys. Why is this slouching? Slouching worse. Of course it did, stupid thing. I have to do like that because my fancy hand broke. Thing. Fancy hand got caught in my glove. It's my winter glove. I think they're my spring gloves, guys. Sorry. Fancy cloth got ruined. And they put another cloth on it. Alright. Let's try this the hard way. Alright, try this for a hard way, guys. Having glove from this cloth. It's much safer. A fancy hand, broken one on the cloth. The pencil case. It's whacking towards the remote, going up and down. Without flying over, it hit someone's head. I don't think people can see that video clip pretty badly. When they do, I can delete it. I'm nearly finished the film anyway. Alright, so let's finish. On to the next one.